My name is Liam Mahan, and I am the founder of CarbonBlack technology. You might know us from our innovative screen surface technologies, such as the screen behind me or our holographic screen, but we're also playing around with laser projection. So this is our laser projection. This is called the Maximus. The Maximus is a laser projector pumping around 10,000 lumens. We have versions that also go up to 20,000 lumens. We've got clickable, swappable, and adjustable lens variation. And this projector is really bare bones. I don't want to create a projector that has a million different features. I want something that's great for your holographic shows, your installations, theme parks, places that you just have a practical projection. And I think this fits the bill. It's very affordable and is ready to ship. Yeah, looking forward to seeing what you guys make of it in your projects. You can learn more information on that and other systems that we produce at CarbonBlack Technology, or you can come out to Hollywood, California and have a demo for yourself. Thank you.